Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use do not disturb in control center on your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to use the do not disturb in control center on your iPhone, then you just need to follow the step till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that you need to open the control center. So you may simply swipe from the top right, and here you'll see various options like this. So if you long press on the top box, then you will see the option of Wi-Fi, AirPods, mobile data and all of it. So from here you need to find the do not disturb icon. So currently I have enabled the focus mode, so you may see the option of focus or do not disturb and all of it. So you need to find the moon-like icon in the control center and you need to tap on the do not disturb icon. So after enabling it, then you will be able to enable the do not disturb. Now if you want to customize the do not disturb, then you may simply long press on the do not disturb, and here you will see the option of personal, work, sleep and all of it. So you may also add the new option by clicking on the option of new focus. So if you click on the option of three dots next to the do not disturb, then you will see the option of for 1 hour until tomorrow morning until I leave this location. So you may also choose the option like that. So that's it. That's how you can use the do not disturb in control center on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.